The Fanwer stress ball is great for adults and seniors. Coming in right under 4 inches, it has an adjustable wrist strap. The string on the grip prevents you from accidentally dropping or throwing the item. The finger separation design, the wave-shaped finger separation design can assist fingers to be placed in the proper position using the stress ball. It's a great rehab tool. You can do some target exercise with the hand strengthener for hands, fingers, wrists, and forearms. Increase strength and mobility, coordination, reduce pain and stiffness. The product is an oval shape, which is more comfortable to hold. It's odorless and latex-free. Hand exercise ball has non-slip surface and is non-sticky. If you want to find out more about this product, definitely click the link below.